My loving people, hold on there. My loving people, boy, you see how wicked Babylon stay? When I was a teenager, dance go until 8, 9 o'clock next morning. Remember them time there? You really remember them time there? Alright, watch you now. Curfew reach us. 3 o'clock is upon us. So this everlasting one is to each and everybody. Because 3 o'clock is on us. So give thanks and praise for the turn in, but we not turn out. Give yourself a round of applause. Come on, big round of applause. Because remember this sound system established 1975. Next year will be 50 years on the road. Look out for that. Selassie, I live it. Bless the love the Jah Youth family. Bless the love each and everybody after this.
We give Jah thanks and praise. Blaze the fire, it's a spring salad, picture of color. Roots ambassador, Jah Youth, one love, big up your family. Jah love Riddim, Selassie Riddim, Most High Rastafari, praise Him. Yes, sir.
Yes, uncle.
Give thanks and praise.
Give thanks to everybody turn out. Really appreciate it. You made it a beautiful night. Give thanks.
Know the secrets of Babylon. Just because I'm a jet, Babylon know why we pray.
Give thanks to Jah Youth. Set this beautiful vibe. The visionary. Big up Sister Benji.
I know I will live long.
Big up Krista, Dion, Tao, Arsalon,
Red, gold, and green.
Gossy P, big up.
Keep on singing. Red, gold, and green.
Billy.
Keep on rocking. Jah Youth Sound up front. Keep on singing. Jah Youth Sound up front. Keep on rocking. Jah Youth Sound is a righteous sound. You know the secrets of Babylon. Jah Youth Sound is a righteous sound.
Hey.
Know the secrets of Babylon. Just because I'm a dread, Babylon know I'm eating bread. Just because I'm a dread, Babylon you know I'm eating bread. But I'm strong and I'm firm. I know I will live long. Don't you run me down for my life. You wasn't around when Jah was giving it to us.
Wheel up.
Red.
Yes, sir. Give me the version now. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna chant on this, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna chant on this one, babe. Hold on there once again. Hold on there. Now, when my brethren was on the earth, see, this was our everlasting one. Someone presented. It's alright, man. Everything under control, man. Everything under control. These are the everlasting ones, see. When Jah Youth was trotting the earth, this was his everlasting tune to bless the place. Listen this. U-A-I-T-Y. Yeah. This is the unity rhythm.